This is the overall appearance of our double-head soldering machine. Let's take a look at its peripheral wiring. First of all, our operation handle is connected here. Then the operation handle here is connected to this head. We can treat this machine as two separate machines entirely. It's independent, left and right. We can understand it as a combination of two machines. They're not connected to each other. Then let's take a look at the wiring at the back. And the one on the back is a data transmission line that we use for temperature control. Get it here. And it's got this temperature controlled power cord. To the power strip. This is also connected to this location. Then this line is also received our power strip. Then look at this power cord of the machine. The power cord for the machine is the same. Also received our power strip. And the trachea here is good. If the trachea is connected to this position, then connect to the air source in the workshop. In addition, we have here a blowbox and this control cable. It's received here, and this corresponds to this. Then this word corresponds to this. It's connected here. This is its peripheral wiring. Let's look at the hole again. Then we introduce the switch button of this machine. Well, first of all, we can see that there are three power sources. Power switch. The first is a single power switch for our entire machine. Then this is the switch for sending tin. This determines whether it works or not. If you open it, it works. If it is closed, this will not work. It's the same here. It corresponds to this one. Open this and it will work. It doesn't work if you don't open this. This is one of its switch keys. And we turn it on. This power supply controls the machines on both sides and uses one power supply at the same time. You can see what I say after turning it on. It will prompt back to the origin. Then we press this to reset. This one brings us back to square one. Then the words here are the same. Press reset. We can see that the left and right sides of this button press are exactly the same. This is the part that controls it. This is the part that controls the area. The same is true for this small button. The function of this small button is that we can switch the scheme. If there are different products, we can switch to different solutions. If we have programmed it now, this is plan 0. If we have a new product, we can switch it to plan E. Do a reprogramming later. We switch back. How did we wind this tin wire together? Tin thread, we can see it's after coming around here. Wear it down and wear it here. And all the way down. All the way down. Send it from us, and send it to our soldering iron head. The tin thread is hung on it. It's the same operation over there. And then this thermostat switch here, the power button. The temperature is already rising when you see it. Rise again. This is our displayed temperature. This is our real-time temperature. This is the temperature we set. If we need to change the temperature, just modify it. We are now modifying the temperature. This is increasing the temperature. We turn it off. Then, after we finish production, just turn this off.